Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. We have a set of assignment on Stone Age period. Stone Age is classified into three, okay, Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age. When we discuss about Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age, coming to the Old Stone Age period, when we talk about Stone Age, everything is made up of stones, let it be tools and where they used to eat the food or anything, I mean maybe the vessels and whatever, everything is made up of stone actually. That's the reason it was called as Stone Age. But why it was categorized into old, middle and new? There was a stages where the early people started discovering the new things. Whereas in the old Stone Age period, the tools were not so sharp. Okay, with the set of stone they started killing the animals, okay, making the, I mean you can say that making the fire, you know, in the old Stone Age period, the fire was discovered. It's not that it happened, deliberately they wanted to do something, everything has happened accidentally. Maybe there's one cause that maybe the forests were, can be one cause, or when the early man started sharpening the stool, and the stools also they used to sharp with the stone only. Stone with another stone they used to sharp. When the friction was occurring, maybe the spark has came. So this is how accidentally the fire was discovered in Old Stone Age period. Coming to the Middle Stone Age period, the weapons, I mean the weapons which is made up of stone, it is little sharper. Okay, the edges were little sharper, and that's how they started killing the animals. Coming to the New Stone Age period, here people were little civilized. They started settling down, they started doing domestication, and they started doing all the things which is very useful to them, like when stone was rolling from the hill, they realized that when a huge body, when it rolls, it can move forward. That's how the wheel was discovered. Okay, and wheel initially it was made up of stone again, and when the wheel was discovered again, they started doing the pottery. Okay, the mud vessels were discovered in the New Stone Age period. So everything, it was a discovery era, you can say, for the people. They started discovering themselves in that particular Stone Age period. So let's start now. It's a fill in the blanks. Dash and dash were the weapons used by early man to cut trees and killing animals. Let me read again. Dash and dash were the weapons used by early man to cut trees and killing animals. As I said, everything was made up of stone. Let it be a hammer or axe's head, everything is made up of stone only. So with what they started using killing the animals? With the hammer and the axe's head. So shall we write hammer and axe's head? Is it clear? And this is also made up of stone only. They used to give some shape to that. It just looked like a hammer. And hammer again, it can be a wooden bark, or it can be again a stone. Coming to the next one. During dash Stone Age period, early man used leaves, barks of the trees and animal skin as clothes. In which period? During dash Stone Age period. It is during the Old Stone Age period. People started realizing that they can cover their body, because the weather condition is little cool and the hot, they used to protect their body. So they started discovering that they can cover their body with the barks or the leaves. Later on they realized that that can be animal skin also. They started covering with the animal skin. So during which Stone Age period? It is during Old Stone Age period. Is it clear? Coming to the next one. In dash Stone Age period, the early man made sharp stool. Let me read again. In dash Stone Age period, the early man made sharp stool using animals' bones and horns as weapon for hunting. So as I said, it's a discovery period for them. So after the Old Stone Age period, in the Middle Stone Age period, they started discovering that the tools which they're using for hunting and for making rubbing for the fire and everything, that can be little sharpened. And it's not only the stone, it can be a animal bone also. Even with the animal bone also, they started making the stool. So it is Middle Stone Age period. In the Middle Stone Age period, the weapons were made up of bones, animal bones and the horns. Is it clear, children? Coming to the fourth one, the dash was discovered in Old Stone Age period. You know, with this discovery, there was a lot of changes for the mankind. It was fire. Fire was discovered in Old Stone Age period. The fire was discovered in which period? Old Stone Age period. Make sure that you are not forgetting this. Coming to the fifth one, the early man become more dash and dash in New Stone Age period. I just said now. So, it is a discovery period, old, middle and new. By the time when they were in the New Stone Age period, they started settling down. They were more civilized. They were in a community. They were living in a groups. They used to share their food. They used to domesticate the animals. So, here what happened? The early man became more civilized and settled in New Stone Age period. Is it clear, children? More civilized. What do you mean by civilized? Civilized, they used to behave like humans, not like animals. Okay? Civilized and settled. Settled in New Stone Age period. Is it clear? Let's go for the next slide. Find the words from the given clue. You have a grid here. You have a grid here. We need to find by reading the clues. Let's read. Early man domesticate animals like. You know, early man, they started domesticating the cows, buffaloes, sheep, and to protect that they used to domesticate the dogs also. Okay, wolf, fox, everything domestication. So, there are so many animals. So, here we will just see what animals we can find here in the grid. So, it is a big task. Let us see whether they are given the horse or the cow or the buffalo or the sheep. Let us see. I can find cow here. I can find cow here. Is it clear? Let us go back. So, early man started domestication cow. Now, next one you want to write, you can write here. Next one, in New Stone Age period, early man invented. In New Stone Age period, the early man invented. What he invented in the New Stone Age period? As I said, in New Stone Age period, the early man discovered wheel. Okay, he is not discovered, he is invented actually. Okay, he discovered when the rock was moving from the hill and he made that as a wheel. Let us see whether we can find wheel here. Where is W? Yeah, wheel. I can find here wheel. Okay, let us go back. Third one, the dash help early man to move to far off places from trade settlements. The dash help early man to move to far off places and form the trade settlements. Now, here you can understand, now they started doing the trade with other people. So, what was easier locomotive for them? It was a cart, bullock cart, because wheel was discovered and they realized that if they attach the wheels to the bullocks, they can move from one place to another place. So, let us see whether we can find the cart or not here. Where is C? You can see, yeah, carts. Is it clear, children? Let us go back and read the other clue. During New Stone Age, the early man discovered ways to meet the basic needs like dash and dash. You know, for everyone, even now, it is not only the early man. We required food, shelter and clothes, right? These are the basic things for the human. So, early man also discovered that these are the few basic things. So, let us see whether what we can find here, food or clothes. Yeah, I can find the clothes here, cloth, and let us see, I can find food. Yeah, I can find food. Is it clear, children? If you can find when you read this, you can make your grid perfectly. So, this comes when you are thorough with your content. So make a habit of reading your textbook again and again and be perfect with your content. Thank you, children. Thanks a lot.